All of us want to do well in life, but we are not ready to take the course that will take us to our goal. And that is the problem. When we talk of CAT, a lot of students keep worrying about the fact that it is a tough examination. And हर साल difficult होता जा रहा है. मुझे मैथ्स नहीं आती है, मेरी इंग्लिश खराब है, ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा. This is a myth. CAT is not a difficult examination. It is an examination that tests your foundations. Now, basically, when I talk of CAT, you would know that there is a percentile score that comes out. And if you are someone who is getting a 90-odd percentile, chances are आपको किसी ना किसी IIM से call आ जाएगा. Newer IIMs, newest IIMs, but call आ जाएगा. जैसे जैसे the percentile goes up to 95, 99, chances of converting a older IIM increase. Now 90 percentile के लिए score कितना चाहिए? The score that you need for a 90 percentile is only 33%. As a thumb rule. And this is not something जो एक साल हुआ और अगले साल बदल गया. If you look at the CAT exam from 2016-17 onwards, since the current pattern has been there, you'll realize that the cutoff has not really shifted too much. It has been there and thereabouts. So अगर 90 percentile लाना है आपको पेपर में सिर्फ 33, 1/3 mark score करने हैं. If your foundations are strong, if you know the basics, clearing CAT is not difficult. 2019 tak, this used to be a 3-year exam. From 2020, it became a 2-year exam. But if you look at the last 4 years, 19 ke baad for the 3 years paper changed, but even for these last 4 years, the overall cutoff percentages are almost similar. Right? Scale बदल गया, 300 की जगह 200 का पेपर हो गया, so the score dropped, but percentage wise the cutoff are similar for the given percentile. Quant and verbal, again, if you look at the last 5-6 years, you'll realize are the easier options. And whenever students come to us, almost 90% of the students will talk of maths नहीं आती, 10 साल पहले छोड़ दी थी, इंग्लिश नहीं आती, आज तक कभी करी नहीं थी. जो उसमें प्रॉब्लम है उसकी कोई बात ही नहीं करता है. The reasoning section is the problem. This is the section that actually has the lowest scores. So even if you are able to get a good quant or a verbal score and have basic scores in the other sections, you will actually clear CAT. When we say CAT is a tough examination, it is getting tougher. This is not true for most of the candidates. There is a specific zone जहां पे बात हो रही है, right? And that zone, you don't have to be in that zone specifically to get into a good IIM. Again, engineers की बात होती है, because CAT is a tough examination, engineers will do well. Colleges ensure that with diversity, score for diversity, the engineers, if at all they end up scoring more in CAT, it is nullified during the interview stage. What zone am I talking about when I say that we should not be bothered with it? So I've taken an old CAT scorecard, and for the different percentiles, I have plotted the scores. This is a line that you will see for almost all CAT exams that have happened in the last 5-7 years. It goes linearly till some time, till the 97-98 percentile, and then it shoots up, right? Till this point, anyone with a decent percentile will actually get good calls from top colleges and a lot of IIMs as well. The fight is here. So when people talk about CAT being a tough examination, probably they are talking of this region. पर हमें इसकी तो जरूरत ही नहीं है, हमारा तो सिलेक्शन यहाँ पे भी हो रहा है, right? So CAT is a tough examination if you're trying to score 100 percentile. Getting into an IIM is not difficult. And just to show you this with numbers, देखिए, if there is a student who wants to score an 85 percentile in one of the exams, the overall score for that is 103. 103 would mean a net about 34 questions correct. If a student increased his correct questions by 12, his score will increase by about 36, the percentile will go by 10%. So to go from 85 to 95, you need an increase of score by 36. सिर्फ 12 क्वेश्चन बढ़ाने से 10 परसेंटाइल बढ़ जाती है. यहाँ पे शायद न्यू IIMs भी कॉल नहीं करेगा. यहाँ पे some older IIMs might actually end up calling you. Only 12 questions, right? Again, if your basics are strong, if you know your strengths and weaknesses, doing well in CAT is not difficult. Challenge कहाँ पर है? Now look at the 99 to 99.9 percentile. A student who makes a 99 percentile would have about 58 net questions correct, right? The next 12 will take you to 99.99. So for a huge range, that is, if you have 0 questions correct to 36 questions correct, you will go from a 0 percentile to 85 percentile. Right? उसका 1/3 लिया, 12 questions correct, next 12 में 34 से 46, you will again jump 10 percentiles. उसका फिर मैंने 12 questions लिया, 46 to 58, तब 95 से 99 पहुंचेगा. So the fight starts once you have reached 50 questions. 50 questions तक तो सिर्फ basic चीजों को अच्छी तरह करना है, and you have to make sure that you get a score good enough to get you into an IIM. People talk of this zone and say CAT is tough. IIMs और good colleges तो पहले से होना चालू हो गए थे, right? So understand what the exam demands and work accordingly. Success will be yours.